I started to cook when I was just 6 years old. I'm 34 now, so for 28 years, I've been cooking. 10 of them have been here on YouTube. My goal has always been to get people back into the kitchen and enjoy the process from start to finish. From developing relationships with your local butcher and your local farmer's market, to creating amazing memories with friends that you will never forget. I don't create recipes, I create memories. People say I've been on YouTube for too long. My time's over and I should just give it up. It's never over. I've still got so much more I want to share with you. I've done the budget meals, I've done the fast food creations, but now I want to share something that only a very small group of people know about me. Something I do for myself to re-energize that passion when at times I just feel like giving up. You're going to see a side of me that you've never seen before. I've got generations of family experience in a treasure chest, and it's now my job to carry their legacy forward. So please, join me on my next chapter. I'm Robert Nixon, and this is Nicko's Kitchen.